Friday, December 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East on a cold Friday morning here across our region. Again, we have a lot of 20s and 30s for temperatures to start the day, but it will be a little milder this afternoon, and then it stays pretty quiet weather-wise through the weekend. Still some question marks surrounding our system next week as well. I'll get into that as today's edition of the video unfolds. Let's start with a camera shot this morning from Banner Elk, and you see the Christmas lights there. In Banner Elk, kind of a nice cold mountain scene this morning. Many mountain spots are well down toward the lower and mid-20s. And hey, for you skiers out there, a couple of the ski resorts open for business this weekend in the North Carolina mountains, and others will be opening here within the next few days. So if you want to get some riding in this weekend, there are some options for you, and the weather is going to cooperate very nicely. Temperatures, it's pretty chilly. We have our residual blast of chilly air still hanging on here in the east, and then this is a fresh push of colder air diving down through the plain states. But not a lot of rain with that next front. The next cold front that will move through, and it moves through over the next 12 hours, is stretching right about through there. A few showers in Texas, a little bit of snow in the eastern Great Lakes. That's about it. Here is our next rain-making system, way back in the desert southwest, and it's going to be a slow mover. This is the upper air chart this afternoon off the European model, and let's go forward in time. Here we are Sunday, some ridging across the east, and that next system just very, very sluggish to move on out. Finally, here we are on the European by Wednesday in the evening hours. That next system finally getting on the move and moving our way. Now the GFS is a little quicker. I'll show you that here. Let's start with today. A lot of sunshine, highs in the low 60s for many across the region. Now we have that weak cold front moving through, and about the only effect it'll have on our weather is to cool us down a few degrees tomorrow compared to today. So highs tomorrow back into the 50s, still a good bit of sunshine. That next low pressure developing near the Red River Valley and then lifting northeastward us all the way in the Great Lakes by Sunday. A lot of rain along the trailing cold front through the Mississippi Valley down into Texas. And we'll see some clouds around Sunday, but we should be dry. Now Monday, the whole storm system just crawling in our direction. So a lot of clouds Monday. I still think most of us dry Monday, but then by Tuesday we'll begin to see the rain opportunities moving in. This is Tuesday evening on the GFS. And then notice here on the GFS, by Wednesday afternoon, the system's gone. Now, that's probably a little too quick. Here's the Canadian model, valid Wednesday early evening, and notice that's right when we're seeing the core of that next system move through. What about the European? This is Thursday morning, so it's even slower. The European wants to move it through maybe Thursday. So for the time being, I've gone with some rain opportunities, maybe as early as Tuesday and maybe better chances Wednesday. And whenever that system does clear out, pretty chilly, quiet weather, it looks like toward Thursday or maybe Friday of next week. So that's kind of how it's looking right now. So we'll kind of keep watching that and adjusting that forecast for next week as necessary. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.